Have you ever found yourself staring at a data frame, only to realize that some rows have multiple values in a single column? It can be quite a puzzle, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle how to split multiple values in one column into multiple rows in R. I totally get it. It can be frustrating when your data isn't structured the way you need it. You're not alone in this. Many people face similar challenges when working with data frames in R. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "How can I split multiple values in one column into separate rows in R?" They provided an example where some rows contain semicolon-separated values. Sound familiar? If so, let's dive into this together and find a solution. So, what's the issue here? When you have multiple values in a single cell, it can complicate your data analysis. We need to split those values into separate rows while keeping the associated data intact. Don't worry, we'll break it down step by step. And stick around. I have a handy tip at the end that will make your data manipulation tasks even easier. To begin solving this issue, the user should load the necessary libraries in R. Specifically, they will need the tidyverse package, which includes functions for data manipulation. Next, the user should read in their data frame. This can be done using the tibble function to create a tibble from the provided data. Now the user will split the abilities column into multiple rows. This can be achieved using the separate rows function from the tidyr package. Finally, the user can view the transformed data frame. This will show each ability in its own row while keeping the corresponding number intact. Fun fact, did you know that R was created by statisticians for statisticians? It's like having a Swiss Army knife for data analysis. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. Another user suggests using the csplit function from the split stack shape package. This method allows you to split the abilities column by the semicolon delimiter and convert it into a long format, resulting in multiple rows for each ability. Here's the handy tip I promised. Always check your data after manipulation to ensure everything looks right. A quick glance can save you from future headaches. And there you have it. You've successfully split multiple values in one column into separate rows. Remember, data manipulation can be tricky, but with the right tools, you can handle it like a pro. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video on advanced data wrangling techniques.